Then question 1 had also part D, which indicated that the candidates are expected to evaluate the leadership style of the CEO of ABC Enterprises Limited. Evaluate the leadership. Evaluate the leadership style of the CEO of ABC Enterprises Limited. 8 marks. 8 marks. Now, in considering this question from the case study that we have read, we realized that the CEO never gave the Human Resources Director an opportunity to make a contribution, an opportunity to give his view, an opportunity for the manager also to make a contribution. So it can be concluded that this style that the CEO was using was an autocratic leadership style. Autocratic leadership style. So that could be the first response that the candidate can give to indicate that this is an autocratic leadership style where this leader is one-sided and is not soliciting for contributions. Now, secondly, lack of input from followers. So this autocratic leadership style, one of its characteristics is such that the CEO does not want any other person to address the issues that are being indicated in this particular case study, and the lack of input from followers is a characteristic of this autocratic leadership style. Then thirdly, an assumption is made by an autocratic leader that followers do not have a contribution to make. Followers have no contribution. So what this implies is that the CEO has a feeling that whoever else is working in the organization is subordinate, and that subordinate cannot make a contribution, which is normally not totally true. And in this kind of a situation, we may argue that autocratic leadership is self-centered, is one-sided. Then fourthly, the autocratic leadership style is not necessarily bad, but the autocratic leadership style can also be useful when decisions need to be made urgently. Decisions needed urgently. So we can conclude that this autocratic leadership style that was being used by the CEO was being used because there was an emergency, and in this case study, profitability was going low, a lot of resources were being spent, and there was no time for consultation, and that is why the leader, or the CEO in this case, was preferring to use this leadership style. So these are a sample hints and responses that could be given to the case study of human resource management, November 2016, for the Carsten paper on human resource management.